Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jahnavi and you are in Study with Janu channel. In this session, we are going to talk up 9 things you should always keep to yourself. Some things are better left unsaid. If you share everything about yourself with others, you might say things that perhaps you shouldn't tell for them. There's nothing wrong with keeping some things to yourself, and a lot of the time it's actually better. Sometimes keeping things safe can also be helpful in creating success. So here are the things that you should always keep to yourself. First one, biggest goals. If you have biggest goals, it's probably best not to share them with others. It can be very tough because you can get super excited about them, but while you work hard to reach these goals, other people's opinion might cause confusion. So do not share your biggest goals to others. Second one, good deeds. Try not to talk much about the good things you have done for others. This can easily make you seem arrogant and self-serving. Those who can see your kindness don't need further explanation, I hope. And if you are only doing good deeds just to brag about yourself, does it even count for you? No, it doesn't even count. Always be kind and humble. Third one, personal life. Your personal life is your own business. There are certain things that are better kept to yourself, such as what you do under the sheets, your religious life, and your bad habits. Telling others about your personal things will open up to judgment and criticism. Keeping certain aspects of your life a mystery will make you come across much classier and worthy of a lot of more respect. Fourth one, your wealth. Some people have it better than others, and you may or may not be the one of the fortunate ones. If you are, that's great. But it's not wise to flaunt your wealth too much, and it's best if you keep your family's wealth to yourself. Money can corrupt friends and relatives, and when you have a lot of it, people around you are going to be jealous, definitely. If you have it, enjoy it and feel good about it, but don't brag about it. Fifth one, life philosophy. Everyone needs to believe in something to get through the day. However, the things that provide relief are different for everyone. For this reason, your individual preferences and beliefs are yours alone. Don't spend your precious time convincing others to think like you. Sixth one, family problems. All families have drama, but these are not things you should be sharing with others. Besides, the more you talk about your family problems, the more difficult it becomes. It's also very disrespectful to share your family conflicts with others, and it devalues you as a person. Problems in the home are best resolved in the home. Of course, if there is something wrong, it's okay to tell people who are close to you, as they can provide some support for you. Seventh one, other people's secrets. Do yourself a favor. Don't be the one to talk about the private life of others. Don't gossip about them. Just remember to mind your own business. If someone confides in you with confidential information, it is your duty ethically to keep their secrets. If you share this information with anyone else, then the trust is broken and the relationship will be severed. Eighth one, fears and weaknesses. Everyone has fears and weaknesses, and sharing these things will not provide you comfort. In fact, people enjoy seeing other people's weaknesses, so don't feed them. You can study up on your fears and weaknesses, or if that isn't working, get some professional help. And the last one, but not the least, your talents. This one is actually something you can share with others. However, if you have special talents, don't talk about them constantly. Only talk about them when the right time comes. Remember this quote, actions speak louder than words. And the conclusion of this session is, apply this principle wherever you can. But please don't get me wrong. I am not suggesting that you isolate yourself from the world, but you should have certain boundaries that are not crossed, because no matter how kind people can be, they are unpredictable. And no matter how large the circle of people around you is, in the end, we are all on our own. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.